This is how you take an avatar or a video of yourself and make a transparent background so you can drop this onto your timeline and put an avatar onto your video. So what you want to do is we want to drop her on the timeline in the cut page, and now we want to go to the color page. We want to click on color. Now we need a qualifier. So we want a 3D qualifier. So we're going to click that. We're going to click that. That's still not working. So we want to click right here, 3D qualifier. So we want to click on that. Now we want to go over here to Jen. We want to go over here and just go all around her. Just like so. Then we want to come down here and we want to invert. And over here, this node, you will see that the background turned to a gray color and it's no longer black. And then we want to click on Add Alpha Output. So we want to connect our alpha output just like that. By doing this, the transparency that this is now transparent behind her will stay with the video, the transparency, and then we can save it. So then we're going to go to the rocket ship. We're going to call it Gen Alpha. Okay, this is the important thing. We're in QuickTime. We need to change the codec so that it is DNXHR. Okay, right there. Then the type, we want it 12-bit. So change your codec. What we're after is we need a box to appear that says Export Alpha, because if you don't export alpha, the background will not stay transparent. So once we do that, we're going to hit render, and now she's going to render. Okay, once we have our avatar saved and the alpha channel saved, we want to open a new project. We want to go and we want to import Gen Alpha, and then we want to import the file that we're going to put Gen in. So we want to drop that onto the cut page. Then we need to go to the edit page, and then we're going to drop Gen down somewhere in the file.
Thanks for watching another video from Cam. Please subscribe and smash that notification bell. Have a blessed day.
So that looks good, but the whole reason for doing this, the whole entire reason, is so that we can change her size. If we don't save an independent alpha file and we just did her in the timeline, if we do this zoom in, zoom out, it will zoom in and zoom out the background and make it bigger. You cannot put a separate window. It won't let me do it, or I've never figured out a way to do it. So that's why I have to save the alpha channel independently to save the transparent background. I hope that makes sense. So I really want her about that size, and on the x-axis I'm going to put her like right there, and put her like there, and down there.
Thanks for watching another video from Cam. Please subscribe and smash that notification bell. Have a blessed day.
So there you go. Simple as that. Pretty easy. And we can manipulate, or if you don't want to do avatars, you could actually do, I could take this video of myself and I could do the same thing. So have a great day, guys.